Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? See, dear children, generally the children, especially the small one, younger one like you, they are curious to know where their teachers are going after school. This poem is the curiosity of a child who has the same feelings, and this poem is composed by Peter Dixon. For a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. So now, the child has so many curiosities. What is he asking to his teacher? Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? For a child, it is really very difficult to understand that teachers are also ordinary human beings. He is unable to understand where the teachers are going after school, after 4 o'clock, when the school gets over. Are they going to their houses? Or are they also washing their socks? Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses at the same as you and me? For a child, it is very difficult to understand that teachers are also ordinary human beings. They are also wearing same pajamas. They are also doing ordinary things just like any other person. But the child, it is difficult to understand because they think teachers are someone very, very special. So they ask, do they pick their noses just like we are picking? Or do they also do the same thing as you and me, meaning ordinary children are doing? They are thinking the child for whom teacher is so special. It is difficult for him to think they are also ordinary human beings. Do they live with other people? Have they moms and dads? Now, the child is curious to know whether they are also living with other people. Do they also have their mummy, their daddies? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Or the teachers, are they also have children? Or as generally the children are naughty, they are bad. So the child is asking that do they also have children and they are bad? Bad meaning here naughty, not that way in a negative way bad. Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? The child is curious to know whether the teachers are also making any mistake, whether the teacher are also doing spelling mistakes, or they are also doing any sort of things wrongly, because generally the teachers are correcting to their children. But what about their mistakes? The child is curious to know. Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now, the child is asking in a very funny way that when they are also taking some other child's chocolate without telling him, so are they also given any sort of punishment? They are also asked to stand at the corner, or any other punishment they also get. Did they ever lose any hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Now, this child may be being scolded for not learning his hymns, meaning that religious practice, or maybe he is not eating green vegetables. So most of the parents are scolding their children for not eating green vegetables. So he said the teacher is also doing the same thing, that he or she is not eating green vegetables, or they have lost their religious book. Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? See, generally these things are done by the children. So he is asking that my teacher is also doing, that they are wearing the old dirty jeans again and again, or they are writing something on the table. So the child is asking very innocent questions. I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem and that they can read to you. Now the child is saying that one day I will follow one teacher and I will try to get answers of all these questions, and then I will write a poem of these answers so that you all will get the answers of the curious questions. Where do the teachers are going? So this is very innocent expression of child's feeling towards his or her teacher. Generally, for the younger students, their teachers are so different, so special, and they are unable to understand that teachers are also general human beings. So this is a very innocent expression of poet's feeling towards his teacher. Peter Dickson has described it very innocently. Thank you.